My machinist friend Dave, and he said that the biggest gap he's ever heard of is 65 thou. So right now I'm at like 38. I want to take the plugs out, bump it up to say 45 first, drive it around a little bit, maybe bump it up to 50, see how it goes. Possibly take it all the way up to 65. I don't know. We'll see. It depends on how bored I get of installing and reinstalling the spark plugs. Hopefully I don't break any of them in the process, but I'm not going to mess with the timing or anything else. I'm trying to make this sort of an experiment, I guess, being as controlled as possible, only changing the gap on the plugs. So with the engine warm and the car in park and as square with this gauge as I could possibly get, we're at 21 inches of vacuum. Now, that's not super crucial here, but that is a good indicator of engine health and efficiency generally is your vacuum reading. So that's about all I can give you as far as data points, other than like the seat of my pants feeling of this car. But there's our control, I guess. This is where it's at right now. Probably the worst of them, but it looks okay. I'm not the best at reading spark plugs. Seems to be pretty rich on the driver's side and much leaner on the passenger side, if I'm reading this right. Maybe they're just fouled on that side, not fouled on this side. Maybe they're both a little rich. So it's kind of trying to idle against the e-brake. What's that, 15, 16, 17, almost 18, 17 and a half. I think if I'm reading that right. 17, 18, 19, 20, yeah, so 17 and a half, let's say. Jumping between the two. stayed the same where it was before, honestly. Maybe a little higher. It does look like it's above that tick mark rather than right parallel with it. But who knows? I don't have anything accurate enough to really get good information from. At least as far as my little mini test goes, it seems to have made a difference. So I don't know if I'll do more. Maybe I'll do a part 2 or something. I don't know. I'll decide down the line. But as far as this goes, it seems pretty definitive to me that made a difference, considering that's all I did. I'll leave all the vehicle information in the description just so you can kind of go over that and compare and contrast. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, found it useful, and please like and subscribe. Other than that, have a wonderful rest of your day. God bless.